In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist on Slack. Using checklists in Slack is a simple way to keep daily tasks, bug fixes, and project goals organized without needing a separate task management tool. Whether you just want a quick to-do list inside a chat or a more permanent checklist for a team project, Slack gives you a couple of built-in ways to make that happen. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. First, let's look at the fastest method, which is creating a native inline text checklist directly inside a conversation. Start by opening Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Then go to the channel, group, or direct message where you want the checklist to appear. Once you're there, click inside the message box so you're ready to type. Next, make sure the formatting toolbar is visible. If you don't see it, click the AA formatting button to expand those options. From that toolbar, select the checklist icon, which looks like a small checkbox with a check mark. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also use the shortcut for checklist formatting depending on your device. As soon as you activate it, an empty checkbox line will appear in the message field. Type your first task, then press enter to create the next checklist line automatically. Continue entering each item one by one until your full list is complete. When you're ready to share it, send the message using the paper plane button or submit it the usual way once the checklist is finished. After the checklist appears in the conversation, anyone with permission in that chat can interact with it. Clicking a checkbox marks the task as complete and adds a visual strike through to the text, which makes progress easy to track right inside the discussion. Now let's move on to the second method, which is better for ongoing projects, using Slack Canvas. This is especially helpful when you want your checklist to stay visible instead of getting buried in the chat history. Go to the channel where you want the project checklist to live, then click the Canvas icon in the upper right area of the Slack window. This opens a blank canvas alongside the conversation. Click into the empty canvas area, type a / and open the insert menu. From there, choose checklist. Then begin typing your project tasks one line at a time. The advantage of Canvas is that it stays attached to the channel, making it much easier to revisit and update over time. Team members can check off items, add comments in context, and reorder tasks as priorities change. Slack also saves updates automatically, so your checklist stays current without any extra effort. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.